Okay, construct a Voronoi diagram for the sides -2, 5 and 4, 3. Now, how do you construct a Voronoi diagram? So I'm using square paper now. So here I'll just simply do this quickly now. I'll draw the axis. I'll make a rough sketch. So you can do this on your graph paper. So the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, correct? X, Y. Now -2, 5. This is the side. Side A. Side B is 4, 3. This is side B. 4, 3. Now, how do you get your, how do you draw the construct a Voronoi diagram? So you will draw in such a way, okay, this will, it is a perpendicular bisector. This is the edge you will draw here. Means, you know, anything that falling in this area, anything falling in this area is closer to A. Anything beyond this line is closer to B, basically. But now we will get, you have to get the equation of this. Part B, find the equation of the Voronoi edge. This is called the edge. So remember the term, no? Edge, this is called the site. Site is the point. Like site can be a store. So you have a Domino pizza store here, here. So if there's a delivery that comes from here, who will send it? It's like that. So this will come from A. So if it's a point here, it will come from A. Yeah. So all the points within this region are closer to A, which is market, and all the points in the white region are closer to B, basically. So now how do you get the equation? Basically, you have to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. I taught you last time how to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. You remember the steps? What are the steps? Find the slope of AB.
Y3, Y2 minus Y2 x2 is 6.
Correct. The slope of the line will be negative reciprocal of.
So perpendicular bisector.
Correct. Find the midpoint using the midpoint formula.
Right. X equals to x2 minus x1.
X plus x1 plus x2. Average x1 plus x2 over 2.
And then y.
And use 2 and 3 to find the equation. So first I will find the slope of AB. How do I find, what's the formula for slope of AB?
Y2 minus y1 x2 plus 6.
So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So that's what? Tell me.
Minus 2.6.
Correct. Then you get the midpoint.
So 3. No, if you switch it.
Okay, so slope of the perpendicular bisector will be correct. Negative reciprocal. Acha, midpoint x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Correct? So minus 1 comma 4 plus 1 comma 4. Sorry. Correct? So therefore, what's the equation?
Y minus
Perpendicular bisector
1 equals to
y
x
minus
into
y1
bracket,
m into bracket x minus x1.
no, 3
So y minus 4 is equal to 3 into bracket x minus 1. So y is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 4. Plus 4. So y is equal to 3x plus 1. So that means my line is not correctly drawn. If I want to draw my line correctly, the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is 1. So y-intercept is 1 and the slope is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, slope is 3 basically. 3. Yeah, my line should be like this. Then this would be a perfect line. Yeah, the y-intercept is 1 and the slope is 3. When the rise over run is 3, this over this is 3 and this is 1. You know, you look at all the triangles like 3, 1. Okay. Verify that point minus 2, minus 5. Now where's your minus 2, minus 5? Minus 2, minus 5 is here. Lies on the Voronoi edge. Does it lie on the edge? Yes. Now if you want to verify it, you can substitute. Minus 5 is equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 5 is equal to minus 6 plus 1. So minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Yes. You can also substitute and check. Or you can just see whether it is on. Whether minus 2, minus 5 is equidistant from A and B. So is the distance the same from A and B? Yes. Yes, because when it lies on the perpendicular bisector, it's equidistant. Use your Voronoi diagram to identify the side closest to 0, 0. So 0, 0 is here. So which is the side closest to 0, 0? Which region does it lie? Does it lie region of A or B? B. 3, 6. 3 B. Minus 4, minus 5.
A.
Minus 4, you have to see it, huh? Minus 4, minus 5. It's A. But you check it. Always. You can't just say it. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB first. See, the 4A. What will you do? Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB, of BC, and of AC. You plot them and draw the lines. So start, let's see.
I'm confused.
How do you find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB? Chalo. Can you find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB?
How do you do
What? Just now we did it.
it? If I'm slow.
Huh? So 4A. So first I'll take AB. What is slope of AB? Tell me quickly. Huh? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So minus 4 upon 4, that's minus 1. Therefore, what is the slope of the line?
1.
What is the slope of the edge be? 1. Correct? What is the midpoint be? 4 plus 8 over 2, comma, tell me. x1 plus x2 over 2 plus
minus 7 of 7 also.
7 plus
3.
3 over 2. So that's how much?
10 over
6.
2,
5. So what is the equation of edge AB? Equation
5. Y minus.
of edge 1. Let's call it
y
edge 1.
minus 5 equals to 1.
Y minus
6
5
minus
is equal to 1.
6
X minus 6.
Yeah.
So y is equal to x minus 6 plus 5. Y is equal to x minus 1. That's the equation of AB. Edge of AB. Now find the equation of edge which divides BC. BC now. Now take B and C.
Why do you have to do this also?
You have to do 3. AC also you'll have to do. So tell me, what is the slope of BC? Tell me the slope of BC. This is my x1, y1. This is my x2, y2 now. So y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 3 upon 0 minus 8. So minus 8 upon minus 8, which is 1. Right? Therefore, what is the slope of the edge B? What is the slope of edge 2B? Minus 1, negative reciprocal of 1.
Yeah.
What's the midpoint?
5 minus 5 upon
8 plus 0. 8 x1 plus x2. 8 plus 0. Are you following that? 8 plus 0 upon 2. Comma? 3 upon 2. So that's how much? 4 comma minus 1. So what is the equation of edge 2B? Tell me. Y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Correct? So y plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 4 y is equal to minus x plus 3.
Yeah.
So this is line 1, line edge
You
2.
don't have to do B, yeah.
Huh?
You don't have to do B.
Okay.
So this is the same.
Same sum, yeah. Then now you will take AC. So now your A is 4, 7. Are you putting the same thing you are repeating? So tell me now AC. So what is the slope of AC? Tell me. Come on, you tell me. Huh? I'm not going to write unless you tell me.
7 minus 5. 7 plus 5.
No, minus 5 minus 7. Y2 minus Y1 upon.
0 minus 4.
So that's how much?
Minus 12 upon minus 4.
Therefore, what is the slope of the edge 3 now?
Minus 3.
Minus 1 over 3, negative reciprocal. Correct?
Yeah.
So what's the midpoint? Sorry. Midpoint is what?
Minus
What's the midpoint formula?
4 plus 0.
Upon
2.
and
Minus 5 plus 0.
7 minus 5 over 2. Correct?
Yeah.
So that is 2 comma 1. So what's the equation?
Y minus 1 plus x or midpoint x minus 5. 2.
X
2
minus 2. So y is equal to minus 1/3 x, correct? Plus 2/3 plus 1. So y is equal to minus 1/3 x plus 5 upon 3. Now what will you do is 7 and 8 all is above. It's big number like 8 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Correct? Now plot. Where's your A? Tell me what are the quantities of A?
X minus 1.
Huh? A is what?
X minus 1.
Array, what is A? How X minus 1? 4 and 7. We'll plot these points. We'll plot the edges. So 4 and 7. 4, 7.
How to adjust the y value?
4 and 7. What's B?
8 and 3.
What's C?
0
0 minus 5. Now we'll draw the edges. Now AB
x minus 1.
x minus 1. Means the y-intercept is what?
0.
Array, y-intercept is minus 1.
Yeah, x is 0.
So y-intercept is minus 1. I'm drawing it lightly with this yellow color.
Can't see it on this.
I'll make it bigger. Then I have to go darken it. I'll tell you why. And what is the slope?
4 minus.
What is the slope over here? 1. So 1 means this will go 1 up, this will go 1 up, this will go 1 up. You know, 1 right, 1 up. And this is right, 1 down. Correct? So that means we'll have this line. I'm drawing it lighter first. Then I'll darken it. So that's the edge that comes in. Now look at the second edge. Look at the second edge. This one. What is the y-intercept?
X and 3.
Y-intercept is 3, not x and 3. 3. What is the slope?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So minus 1 means it's 1 right, 1 down, 1 right, 1 down. So it's going 1 right, 1 down, 1 right, 2. So basically it's a line which is going like this. Correct? This is your H2.
Yeah.
Now H3 is what? This one.
5/3.
5/3 is how much? Little less than 2. Correct? Little less than 2 here. 5/3 is 1.3 1 are 3 3 6. So if you divide 3 5 3 1 are 3 2 3 6 are 18. 1.6. Yeah, so 1.6. Okay, 1.6
Yeah.
and negative 1.6, that's your y-intercept. And what is the slope? Negative 1/3.
Yeah.
So that slope will go negative 1/3. It will be something like approximately I'm going right? Or there's another way of doing it. You can also get the x-intercept and y-intercept. So y-intercept we got. How do you find the x-intercept? Substitute y as 0. So x/3 is equal to 5/3. So x is 5. So that's your y-intercept. So you can get your x-intercept and y-intercept, and then you join that. Okay. So now your Voronoi diagram will be what, you know. Now I'm darkening it. See. So you need to understand. Okay, this is the edge. This edge. Correct? Yeah. Then this part over here. Array. This part over here. This is C. This boundary for C. This boundary for A. Correct? And this is your BC. BC ka will be here. No, this won't come in. Sorry. This won't come in. This will come in. And BC will be this. This is that divides BC.
Yeah.
This is the one that divides AC. AB. This part. And this is the one that divides AC. This one actually. This one, not this one. Are you following that? So you will have to do like that. So this is line 1, line 2, line 3. That's how you do all of it. Next one.
So break.
So first, how many lines will you draw? 3.
Yeah.
First perpendicular bisector of AB. Correct? So AB is there. So you draw perpendicular bisector of AB. Correct? AB, no? This is the AB middle of that. Then BC, perpendicular bisector.
I'm confused in how you're getting all this.
See, it's the midpoint. No? This is the midpoint, is passing through the midpoint.
So how do you just randomly draw?
I'm just randomly drawing it. I'm just drawing by judgment. Okay. Then what do you do? I'm erasing this because that line will interfere. Okay. Then now you do perpendicular bisector. AB we did, BC we did. Now AC. AC ka perpendicular bisector will come like somewhere like this. Probably like this, I think so. You know, it's very difficult to draw. It's very difficult to draw. Let's see if it 4 minus 2. 4 and minus 2. See?
Minus 4 minus 6.
Minus 4 minus
6.
Oh god. Minus 4 minus 6.
Oh, guys, zoom in.
Minus 4 minus 6. Somewhere here.
You
Minus-
zoom in a little bit more.
Minus 4?
Minus 6. You can zoom in so you can see the exact one. You're a bit too zoomed out.
minus 4 minus 6. Correct? Yeah. Are you following that? So this is how your Voronoi diagram will look. So see, listen. So this line is a perpendicular bisector of AB. This line is a perpendicular bisector of BC. And this line is a perpendicular bisector of AC, and they three intersect here. So what we need to do is in our diagram remove that.
Take a picture of this.
Yeah, we can put a picture. But as when we do it will come very approximate.
Yeah.
This is how we plot basically. AB,
Just put it on top of the.
Okay, fine. Then, now you have to answer this. Chalo. Which store is closest to customer who rings 3,1? Where's your 3,1? 3,1 is somewhere here. A. Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2 is A only. It's going in that region.
No? It's minus.
So minus 2, but it's
X
still.
is minus 2.
But A is having this. No? This whole region is A. No?
Okay.
Still it's just on the edge.
Minus 5 minus 1 is.
Minus 5. Minus 1 is clearly C.
A is C.
Okay, then. Chalo. MN is equidistant from all three.
It is minus 3, 2.
So where does MN stay?
Minus 3, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
From each term, she's perpendicular.
find the distance. So minus 3, 2 is there. And take any point. What is A we have?
5 and 3.
5, 3, no? You remember the distance formula?
Speed equals to distance in time.
No.
X to the x1 squared plus.
Substitute. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Use your calculator. Tell me how much is it.
Good night, sir.
I was wondering, man.